Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Nubia REDMAGIC 10 Air with slim design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.8 inches Full HD plus full view display. Resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels, approximately 93.7% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 400 ppi. Pixel density, 1600 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup. On the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.9 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2, 4. Selfies. It has 16 megapixel under-display front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 8K at 30 fps on rear camera, 1080p at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of REDMAGIC OS 10 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.3 GHz single-core Cortex X4, plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex A720, plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex A720, plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.3 by 76.6 by 7.85 mm, and it weighs around 205 grams, and the color options, Frostblade White, Shadow Black, Flame Orange colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 80-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L2 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IR blaster for remote control support, ICE Magic cooling system support, Red Core R3 gaming chip support, IP54 dust and splash resistant support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Nubia REDMAGIC 10 Air has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,499 Chinese yuan, while 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 4,199 Chinese yuan, while Flame Orange 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 4,399 Chinese yuan. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this ZTE Nubia REDMAGIC 10 Air smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.